Yo.
See there?
Yeah, come there. Like start water upon it, you don't scar it off little. So me I'll cook him again. That's why I'm gonna put him in a pot and scar him off more better. I'm gonna go in a pot, so I'll cook again, you know?
People.
Same look there.
The yellow orange nice. People, watch out, go.
Eh?
Watch out, go, people.
Sure,
People, watch out. Ja. Gone down right now, belly, you know, people. You hear him?
Pumpkin them cook little more, you know? Then we can season up and dash in the rice, you know?
See that, people?
Pumpkin them cook little, you know? Then we can dash in the rice.
Yes.
Watching people.
Colors. So watch the colors now, pot. People don't doubt it, yeah? Yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Real authentic Jamaican cooking. See thing they are building down. Baby little baby feed treble, you see it? Yeah. Watching, we are keeping updated. Yeah.
People, you know, pumpkin them, look at them ready. You think can go down a little more, rub dash in the rice, and then shut the pumpkin and go down a little more. Them a mash. But find pumpkin and a mash so easy, you know. I wash them a mash. Look at them a mash, yes.
People, watch how go on.
Dash in the rice.
See the people? Yeah. See color? The ACKEE rich people. ACKEE look like it want to drown out the pumpkin. Pumpkin in the dots. Watch out, people.
Pumpkin nice, look.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV, authentic Jamaican food. Seasoned rice is today's dish. Don't miss. Yeah?
Look the people.
I remember we are from the beginning to this stage, so you can check it all out in the clips. You get me? See the people? Beverly, my Beverly, you know, people. See it there?
That is it. Catch you when I finish in touch, people.
Alright, people. We'll log back in. People, watch you go on. I go on a glimpse of 3 minutes in the Beverly down. Yeah, Beverly to Beverly. Me I say? Yeah, and the smell rich. Believe me. I'm not tell you a lie. Catch you, people. Yeah.
Put it like a tata butter, you know? No wally.
See the people? Just a tat. Just a tat. You don't know. ACKEE already buttery. You know? Have that little thing there about it. You know? I'm going to shimmer through the rice smoothly.
Dash in little black pepper and lime too.
People, if you can't do it, you can't learn. Everybody can watch and learn, you know?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
So,
Right now, me I watch and learn.
and that today I have to teach too.
See the people? People watch how I go on Jamaican Life Abroad. It's the authentic Jamaican cooking. Every day. Yeah.
Rice.
People, we just are going on a little glimpse of what I go on. Oh God, people, you want nothing pretty, so? Talk it short. Talk it short, people. Jesus. Yo. People, see, eh? Baby, people. I swear. Yeah, man. Rich in a seasoning and everything good, authentic Jamaican food. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. I tell you, every day around here, yeah, I something authentic from yard. I will never lie. See that? Yeah. Baby little baby people. Don't worry. I keep you updated. you're gonna see the finished article. Just wait.
Stage.
People.
Plane reach. Norman Manley Airport.
People.
Check out outside we pick you up. See there, plane land.
People don't be ungrateful. Best on this evening. See, eh? So it's pretty.
You're Bala.
Like a money tree. You see it? Look there. Ah, people watch it. Joking, people.
Is that alright? Is that alright?
People. See, eh? Yeah, man.
Finishing touch.
The people. So you color pretty. Yeah.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.